Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Sri Lankan style fish curry. It's nothing special, but it is a staple, traditional, authentic Sri Lankan style fish curry. So let's get started. The ingredients you require for this fish curry are 1 kilo of fish. I've used parao in Sri Lanka. This is parao. You can use any type of fish. Talapat, sea fish, they are perfect, but there are no talapat, so I've used parao. 1 kilo of fish. I washed it well. This is 2 large onions. I've sliced it into thin slices. So this is 2 large onions, 5 green chilies, 2 large tomatoes. This is goraka. If you don't have goraka, you can use tamarind paste, but this is goraka. So I've taken about 10 pieces of goraka and soaked it in hot water for about half an hour. If you don't have this, you can use 2 tablespoons of tamarind. This is a bit fenugreek, about 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. This is Sri Lankan unroasted curry powder. If you don't have unroasted Sri Lankan curry powder, you can use any mild curry powder. 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 5 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons worth of ginger. This is about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, a big piece of cinnamon, few cloves, few curry leaves, pandan leaf, or this is called rampe, and some coconut oil and salt. These are the ingredients you need to make this fish curry. I washed this fish a couple of times. After you wash the fish, you need to add some water till all the fish pieces are well submerged. Okay, after this you add about 3 tablespoons worth of vinegar. About 3 tablespoons of vinegar, some salt, say 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Let it sort of soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we are going to wash the fish again. So this is just a way of cleaning the fish well. Now let it soak for about 10 minutes. So till the fish is soaking for 10 minutes, we are going to make a paste. To this paste, as I said, this is goraka. About 10 pieces of goraka I've soaked in hot water. If you don't have this, you can use tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to add the soaked goraka into this along with the water. Into this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds, the ginger, the garlic, cinnamon, and the cloves. All that, and pound it well till everything is well pounded. So this is now right. Let this be. Let's get the fish washed, and we have to marinate the fish. Now wash the fish. Okay. Now the fish is washed. We need to marinate this fish. So to the fish, this is 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 5 tablespoons of red chili powder, and 2 tablespoons of Sri Lankan unroasted curry powder. All these spice powders go in. And add a little bit of water and some salt and mix it well so that the fish is well coated with the spice powders. Okay. Now the fish is well coated. Just leave it for about 5 minutes until you start the tempering, that is sauteing all the onions and all that. By that time the fish should be marinated perfectly. So let's get the onions and all the other ingredients sorted. Medium to high flame. Place a pot, preferably a clay pot, and once it heats up, let's add the oil. The pot is heated. Let's add about 5 tablespoons worth of coconut oil. Once the coconut oil heats, we can add the onions. The oil is heated. I'm adding the onions. So this is, as I said, 2 large onions. So first let's get the onions sauteed. Okay. Let's fry for about 30 seconds before we add the rest of the ingredients. The onions have started to heat up. At this stage, we add the green chilies. About 5 green chilies I've sliced lengthwise. Add that. Along with that, we add the curry leaves and the pandan rampe as well. And so once the onions have started to fry and they are about to be light golden brown, you can add the tomatoes. This is 2 large tomatoes. Now give it about 5 minutes of frying before we add the rest of the ingredients. So after 5 minutes, all the onions and tomatoes are all very smushy and cushy. Now let's add the ground paste. After 2 minutes of frying, let's add the marinated fish. To this bowl, add about 500 ml of water. Mix everything and add this water as well. And let it come to a boil before we cover it. Can you see? It started to boil at this stage. You can add the salt to taste, and cover it and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Have a look. About 10 to 12 minutes would be fine. Cover it and cook on a medium flame. That's all you have to do. So let's open and see. The fish is well cooked, because if you see the oil has separated, that means it's well cooked. Don't stir it too harsh because the fish can break. Just gently mix it. You can check if the salt is enough. If not, you can add more salt on this stage. So it's done. So total time of cooking was 15 minutes, medium flame. So the fish curry is all done. This fish curry is made without coconut milk. So it's a nice, good, spicy curry. Perfect, you can try it. So let's switch off the stove. So the fish curry is done. See, the fish curry is very nice. It's very tasty. This fish curry goes very well with white rice, idiyappam, pittu, even whole rotti, or even with tempered rice. So tempered rice, my tempered rice recipe, you can find it at the end card. So for a rice and curry, this fish curry with some dal, paripu curry and rice is perfect. So the paripu curry and the tempered rice recipes will be at the end card of this video. Don't forget to check them out. So please try this out and let me know how you liked it. Please follow me on my social media on Facebook and also on Instagram as well. Take photographs when you make this recipe. Take photographs and share it on my social media. Also, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that bell icon and the all button so that you get all my videos notified without fail. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Until I see you guys next time with yet another recipe, this is your Vic signing off. Thank you. Bye.